Hi there, it's Maria here. I am so happy that you finally downloaded the UK visa checklist. I know how stressful and confusing visa application can be. All this paperwork, requirements, and meeting deadlines, it is a lot. But here is the good news. You don't have to figure all this out on your own. I have helped so many people just like you review their visa application before submission and looking at all the small errors and mistakes that could lead to your visa rejections. So if you like my personal support to review your visa application step by step before you submit it, click the link below to book a one-to-one session with me today. I will guide you through exactly what to check for, how to make your documentation stronger, and what the officers are really looking for. So don't leave your visa approval a chance. Let us make sure that it is done right at the first time. So click below to book a session and I will see you. So you take care now. See you. Bye.